Name is Gayatri Gopal Isargunde. I am from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, branch Computer Science and Engineering, class FYD, roll number 443, course name Engineering Physics. Today I am going to present a topic through this presentation. In this presentation, I will be covering the key points, important concepts. Let us begin with this presentation. Quantum mechanics. The key points are computing, difference between bits and qubits, difference between classical computers and quantum computers. So let us see taking with a question. Question. Write a note on computing. What is difference between bits, qubits and classical and quantum computers? Answer. Quantum computing uses a new way to store, process and measure information in computer system to record the results. This new way depends on the quantum mechanics. State the subatomic particles such as electrons. Quantum states are represented by quantum bits, qubits, to represent computer information. In classical computing architecture, bit represent information in either 0 seconds or 1 second. However, in quantum computing architecture, qubits would present could present information in 60% 0 state example or 85-degree and 15-degree and so on. These multiple qubit states give this technology the power to make massive parallel execution of computational processing complex problems of classical computing methods, including with high performance computers. HPCs become solvable, more efficient, and much faster with quantum computing. The amount of information a bit system can represent grows exponentially. Information that so qubit can easily represent with would not be possible with even more than 2500 classical bits. It would take a classical computer millions of years to find the prime factors of 2048 bit number. Qubits could perform the calculation in just minutes. Now we will see the difference between bits and qubits. Let us see first bits. Bits are used in classical computers. Bits are slow. A classical computer has a memory made up of bits where each bit holds either 1 or 0. The device computes by manipulating those bits with the help of logical gates AND or NOT. Information is stored in bits, which take the discrete values 0 and 1. Its circuit behavior based on classical physics. So next we will see qubits. Qubits are used in quantum computer. Qubits are faster. A qubit can hold 1, a 0 or basically a superposition of these. The device computes by manipulating those bits with help of quantum logic gates. Information is stored in quantum bits or qubits. A qubit can be in states labeled 0 and 1, but it can also be in superposition of these states. A0 plus B0, where A and B are complex number. Its circuit behavior based on quantum mechanics. This was the difference between bits and qubits. We will see difference between classical computing and quantum computing. Features: basic base unit, classical computing bit, quantum computing qubit. Feature: state classical computing either 0 or 1. Quantum computing 1 can be in multiple states simultaneously due to superposition. Logical operations: classical computing Boolean logic and or not. Quantum computing quantum gates. Feature: speed, classical computing limited by classical physics. Quantum computing can perform certain calculations much faster than classical computers. Feature: memory, classical computing stored in binary digits, quantum computing stored in qubits. Last feature: applications, classical computing software, gaming, simulations, etc. Quantum computing, cryptography, machine learning, etc. To conclude this presentation, the, conclude this presentation helped us understand the topic in a structured and easy way. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present my work. Thank you for watching my video.